our mix ready. And now we have to add 2 cups of milk.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the bananas ready and then slice them. And there you have it, folks.
You have to make sure your pudding mix is real thick. Now that the pudding mix is real thick, I'm going to take some wafers and line my pan with them.
And then you add 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar.
And there you have it, folks.
And then you add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And now you whisk it. Until you have cream formed.
Now your banana pudding is done and you can chill for 2 hours. Y'all come back now, you hear?